And while the national debate over immigration continues, a lot of people here in Sacramento are taking action in a very different way. Volunteers are going inside immigration courts to watch and make sure that the process for them is fair. Fox 40's Cedric Hood joining us live here at 6 in Oak Park tonight from the Guild Theater, where those volunteers shared, Cedric, what they've seen so far.
Yeah, that's right, Eric. Now, this wasn't a legal lecture or a policy debate. This was real people talking about what they see in the courthouse, what works, what doesn't. And organizers tell me that it's as simple as walking into the courtroom and paying attention that can change how they operate. On Human Rights Day, the focus was on what happens behind closed doors inside Sacramento's immigration courts.
Their faces, their stories, their tears, I'll never forget them.
The event, called Bearing Witness, Truth Be Told, brought together people who volunteer as court observers. They're not attorneys, they are everyday community members trained to watch, document, and report what they see.
Training community members to go into immigration courts, to witness what they see, to document what they see, and to tell that story. Witnesses hold power, stories move hearts, which change minds.
Organized by Acacia Center for Justice, who focuses on immigrant justice, the panel included a state lawmaker and even a former immigration judge. But organizers say the real impact comes from the people sitting in those courtrooms day after day.
We're using stories to help to shift the narrative of immigration in this country. We're using stories and data to help our advocacy and litigation strategies for the organization and for the network. So these are very, very powerful stories.
Melissa Atocha, who told her story on stage, wants people to know volunteering is possible.
I have a full-time job, just like most other people. So this is possible. It's possible for people to show up and do the work. It doesn't require, a lot of time. I want people to realize that you don't have to have a legal degree to be helpful. There's very many ways to be helpful, and as we learned today, that bearing witness is part of that fight, right? Because otherwise people would just be disappeared.
Seats were filled with community members assigned people are paying attention. For volunteers, this work is about accountability and making sure no one is overlooked.
Join our movement, go out into your communities, tell that story, and make it known to others.
And again, organizers say it's as simple as showing up and being the eyes and ears of the community. Live in Oak Park covering local news that matters, Cedric Hood, Fox 40 News.
Cedric, thank you. The El Dorado